Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys some projects that I finally was able to get to. I posted this probably about a month or two ago and I finally am able to finish them and do a video on them, and I'm super excited because I wanted to share with you guys what I did. So you guys, I will link down everything below to the video, because you guys know that Anna, who's Serenity Creations here on YouTube, did a video on these bracelets using this impress art. And I believe she got it from Hobby Lobby. This is what you use to make the bracelet, and mine came with a kit with the blanks of the bracelet. So this is what you use to bend the bracelet, and these are the blanks, but these are the skinny ones. Mine came with the wider ones and a few of these skinny ones, but I just wanted to show you guys, just in case you guys want to see the packaging. They have it at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and also at Joann's. So this is what I used. I followed Anna's tutorial, and I will link her video down below how she made them. There's actually two videos. There's one with beads, and then there's one with like the word plates, I guess that's what they're called. I think that's what they're called. But anyways, I'll show you. So anyways, I had to jump on it because I have so many beads and I've been working to try to use a lot of them so they just don't sit there. So I'm super excited because I've been using a lot of beads lately, if you haven't noticed. But anyways, I was able to make her wire wrapped bracelets. Now this size here is this one here. And I bought these on sale, so I didn't pay the whole price. I don't think this one, oh, here it goes. This is the size. This is the 14 gauge here, and that's the skinny one. So look at how cute that is. Mine came out a little bit wonky. This is my first time doing this type of wire wrapping on this blank here on this bracelet. But they came out super cute, and I don't know if some of you guys had saw the post that I did a few months back of my husband, because my husband was my my mannequin. I used his arm as a mannequin and put these bracelets on him just to see what they look like, because they look different when they're on somebody else rather than looking at it on yourself. So I did these two colors in the 14 gauge. And then the thicker ones that came in this kit, I did it in this one. Look at how pretty that is. And in this one here, and in the blue. So just show you what these look like. That's what that looks like. I'm trying to just get all of them on my arm just so that you guys can see what they look like. And they can fit any size arm. So I have a tiny arm, so they're adjustable, so you can open and close them. So that's what these wire wrapped bracelets look like. Aren't these so cute? So cute. So yeah, Anna has two videos showing these projects here, and I will link them down below. And a lot of the jewelry that I've made over the past 10 years, I have learned from Anna. Anna and Tammy and Natalie and also Tara. So all of them, I've known them for many years now, and I've learned. Now, I'm not a specialist in jewelry making, but I've learned whatever I know how to make, I learned from them when it's jewelry related. So like wire wrapping, bracelets, and all those good things. So that is that one. And then, so these are the plates that I was talking about. And this is in another video. I will link it again. It's by Gratification by Traditions. And they also sell something similar, but a different brand at Michael's if you're looking for them. And she did a tutorial on how to do this. And look at how cute. She did one with a, I think it was a wing. But this is the plates. This came in 2. You can get them in a pack of 2 or 1. But look at how cute. And then I put the bling right on the O of the Joe, if you can see. But look at how adorable that is. And then I have this heart dangle here. She also showed a tool that you can punch a hole in there and then dangle something from there. So I love it. This has got to be my favorite one, is the one with the word plates. So I did that one. And then I also did this one that says blessed. And this was a bit more challenging than the bead one, because you have to hold it. And as you can see, it doesn't bend as the shape of the bracelet. So you have to keep holding it so it doesn't move. And you have to make sure it's centered. So this is about a little bit more challenging than the bead one. But I love how this came out. Look at how cute. It says blast, and this one says choose joy. I didn't have anything hanging on the other side of this one. So I thought that was so cute. I love it. So of course I had to go out and buy more of these. And then this one, I love how this one turned out. I mean, it's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be, because that's the whole point of it, is not looking, it's supposed to look like somebody spent time on it and they made it themselves. But look at how cute. This one is also from Hobby Lobby, if you're looking for this one, but I love this one. This is using the thicker one, not this one, but I'm not sure what the next size would be. 16, 18, I'm not sure, but look at how cute. So I love this one. This one, and this one was kind of hard too, because it's these ones, I don't know, but this one was a little bit more hard for some reason. I think because with this one, I didn't have to wrap it. I wrapped it like one or two times on this one. But this one, I think there's like a few, as you can see there. But this has got to be a really cute one. Definitely keeping this one for myself. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that so cute? So this is what they look like here. So pretty. Love it. So I made those. And then also, I said I was going to make bracelets with these when I showed you guys. I hauled this from Joann's a while back when they were on sale. It's the Hildy and Joe glass beads. And these were, I got these online when they were on sale. So I got different colors. So I just didn't do anything with this one. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like, because it comes with all these different beads in here, and I told you guys I wanted to make a bracelet with it, so I did. I made a bracelet, and this is what's left from the bracelet. So you're actually able to make a few bracelets, but I just made one with them. So this is just the leftover. So the first one, it's just regular stretchy beads. I use the stretchy cord, the jewelry cord, and I love stretchy bracelets because they're just so easy to wear and pair with things. So I thought that was really cute. I love the colors, and I love how the beads are different. They're like different shapes. So there's that one. And then this next one here is using these beads. However, with this one, I added some chain to it so that it can dangle. Let me just show you. So that's what I did here. And then I also did it like this. And put it on for you guys just to show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. And then on the other side, it just dangles. Can't see it right now, but see how cute that is? So I did these, and then I added, actually, and I wore this already, this with it and paired it up. And look at how cute. Look at how cute that is. So you can just wear these alone as a statement piece, or you can add one of these. And I think they came out so cute. I love it. So I actually, like I said, I have to do a video, but I did buy more of these from Michael's though. And I can't wait to make more because I want to gift them. But this one here, I'm keeping. Actually, all of these 3 here, I'm keeping. And then I'm going to gift the rest. But I love how it turned out. Super cute. So you can even add that if you wanted to. Then you can have a whole bunch of arm candy. But I just love how these just dangle here. So that's why I added that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it inspires you to go out there and try something new and make something. I will link down the video to Anna's tutorial that she did. There's 2 different tutorials. There's part 1 with these wire wrapping beads, and then there's part 2 with these. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for now. Or thanks for watching, and bye for now.